So any YouTube channel, we have two type of headings. One is a green, second will be yellow. So when coming to your YouTube channel, the option call is Video Manager. When coming to your YouTube Studio, they say for yellow, for any video, that is called limited ads or no ads. They show your screen will be like this. See, public, monetization will be on. Edit, Creator Studio Classic. So we'll showing for yellow will be here. Limited, no suitable for ads. This video is running for limited and no ads due to the content identified. Means the title of content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. It remains full playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. So that is purpose. We can play for requesting for review. So why the video convert into yellow ads? The main reason. Your content, second your title selection. Any content will be not suitable by your ads. The showing for your content will be yellow ads. So that is called any video will getting for yellow ads. We can requesting for manual ads. Within a 7 days of time, the video watching for 1,000 members, it automatically converting for green ad. Any video yellow ad will convert into green ad. Within a 7 days of time, people watching for 1,000 members, the video converting to yellow to green ad. So green eligible for n number of ads. Yellow no ads, limited ads. Maybe came or may not be came. So when any monetization, if any will be less, the main reason is called yellow ads. Second reason is called less than 10 minutes. So more than 10 minutes of video, they're showing for yellow ad, no earnings. Bidding for less earning for that ads. Your content will be very powerful on the videos and you can make the video and it will be useful content. User can reach 7 days will be 1,000 members. Automatic yellow will convert into the green ad. Please note on that for monetization option.